Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today I gotta say, throughout talent and art, I am the honored one to draw the one and only Satoru Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. Now let's get right into it. See, I don't usually start with the outlines whenever I'm doing my drawings, with the exception of Satoru Gojo, of course. With this one I had to start with the marker so I can easily apply my paint when I'm doing the background, so it doesn't overlap with the drawing itself. Now let's start using some paint to do our background. Done and dusted. And now that we're done with the background, let's start applying the first coat layer of the drawing. Wow, that was surprisingly fast, but anyways, let's start drawing the clothes of Gojo.
Never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there, hey. You gave me roses, set me apart. All I feel was bliss, but you were never there, you were never there. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Baby, just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear.
Okay, done, and now it's time to use the marker on the drawing itself.
Down in empty streets, looking for joy. I don't wanna admit I'm better on my own, better on my own. You say we're not meant for each other.
Okay, now it's time to start drawing the skin.
Give up on this, I won't give up. Cause I don't wanna be hate, like the one to flee, like the one to leave. I never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned to listen? Sorry, I will never be, even if you're the one you wanna see. Think it better go someplace I don't know, cause I got your picture on my mind. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Baby, just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way.
Well, the drawing is looking good so far, but we still have a long way to go. But yeah, let's keep going, and now it's time for the next phase, the hair.
Think it better when I swear follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear.
The hair is actually the most detailed part of this drawing, so I gotta be careful when I'm doing it. But yeah, let's keep going.
I've been drinking water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart?
And we are done with the second layer of the hair. As you can see, it's starting to look defined and it's starting to look white, but we're not done. We still have a long way to go to make the hair like glowy and more colorful and like aura. We have to give it that aura. Now let's make the drawing even more epic.
I've been seeing further in dark skies. Bring 'em like a fire, not for a time. Follow my heart into mine. Show you how I play my part. Oh, stand the night, don't
Well, if you've made it this far, you are a real one and I appreciate your support, but for some reason you guys forget to like and subscribe or comment. So if you're still here, do me the favor and please subscribe, comment, like, whatever you feel comfortable with. Thank you.
Throughout heaven and earth, I alone